Today, we're in Renton, Washington in front of my brand new listing, and we're in a wonderful Mainvue development called Allura. Mainvue is one of the most popular spec home builders here in our region because of their beautiful modern aesthetic. And this neighborhood is very conveniently located close to Highway 405, close to 167, close to Coulon and Lake Washington, and everything else that Renton has to offer. So I'm excited to share this listing with you. Let's go check it out. Thank you for sticking around to watch the whole tour. And I feel like I've been saying this often lately, but I truly mean it. This one will not last long. So if you're interested in the home, give me a call to schedule a tour, and otherwise I'll catch you in the next video.